Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my video. This video is going to be very special because I'm very excited. I'm going to show you my university. Yes, I'm working in Greencore as full-time employee as in quality assurance team, but at the same time I am studying as well. So I'm going to talk a little bit about how it works while you're working and then you're studying as well. So in Greencore offer Greencore qualifications, which we will talk to Natalie Roger, who is our director in Greencore. She will talk more in detail how it works, and also I'm going to show you the university as well, how my university look like. I will speak to Reeve as well. Reeve is our site technical manager, and she will explain more about Greencore qualification from her perspective. I'm in the end of the video. I'm going to speak with some students, and also I will speak to our professor, course leader, who is Professor Jennifer. Professor Jenny will speak more about from university point of view and apprentices scheme. In a quick nutshell, it's a block studies where after every few weeks there's a dedicated block, and in dedicated block we tend to come to university for full 1 week and then study here and then take all the coursework back home, and then we have time to do the remaining assignments and coursework while working as full-time as well, but we get time off as well, which is 20%. So let's watch the video, let's see the university, and then later on I will speak to the guests as well. And thank you for watching Tabsa UK. Assalamu alaikum.
So my name is Natalie Rogers. I lead the Talent Development and Inclusion team at Greencore, and we have an offer that's known as Grow with Greencore, and within that offer is a programme called Greencore Qualifications, and that enables colleagues to be qualified and to build their career and to look at their career pathways. And what we do is we start the year with a talent review, and we look at where we've got skills gaps, we look at our colleagues' career aspirations and development plans, and that helps us set the framework for the year. And Greencore Qualifications is one of our key programmes, and it enables colleagues to apply for a qualification, They range from a level 2 qualification right through to a level 7, which is a postgraduate qualification. And we've got a range of programmes which generally change every year depending on our skills priorities. And they help colleagues to graduate or qualify in a topic or a specialist area. They're brilliant for Greencore colleagues because they get a recognised qualification, they build their networks externally, they get to meet people that are in similar roles. But they're also excellent for us from a benefits perspective because it means that we've got more capable colleagues who are more proficient in their role, they're more engaged, and they're in effect enjoying their roles more, which can only be good for us. So Greencore Qualifications is an excellent way that we support careers and development for colleagues at Greencore and help meet their aspirations and development. So our apprenticeships span early careers and Greencore Qualifications, and combined we've got about 260 colleagues on those programmes. If you take our early careers colleagues out of that equation, it's about 160 of those colleagues are on a Greencore qual, and they range from a 12-month qualification right through to a 4-year degree, and our first cohort of graduates for the degree graduated last year. If you would like to apply for a qualification, take a look at our microsite. You can find out much more about the programme, what you'll learn and what you'll gain and benefit from. It's a quick process. You can do a self-assessment so you can see whether it's right for you, speak to your line manager and then apply, and we'll introduce you to the supplier and take it from there. I'd like to thank Bilal for doing this video, but also for being one of our Greencore Qualifications colleagues, and I hope he's enjoying his programme.
I'm Jane Reeve, I'm Technical Controller at Greencore Kiveton. Bilal is one of my team members and he's asked me to talk about work placements for university degrees. As a technical manager, I'm really proud to be able to support colleagues through these activities, both from a business perspective and from a personal development perspective. So the colleague will end up with a degree in the end of the day, which is a great asset to the individual. But also the point that's fabulous for the business is that they have to do a work-based project, which they will have to work towards, do really positive work, and then that's a benefit to the business in the end of the day. Now, colleagues who go and want to apply to do these sorts of activities are really self-motivated and ambitious, so we'll always deliver a really good job. But the other great thing about this type of activity is that it can create a pipeline for succession planning, so another real benefit for business and having continuity within your team and a development process. I'm really proud that over my career that I've been able to support a number of team members to do this type of activity and end up with a degree. Many of them starting off on the shop floor and managing to get all the way to technical manager positions and senior leadership positions. So really positive aspect can come out of this type of activity. And I just want to take this opportunity to wish Bilal and all his colleagues that are doing these activities the best of wishes for their degrees.
Yep.
Hi, I'm James Herman. I'm a first year uni apprentice at Nottingham Trent University and I work for Tastepoint UK, studying food science and technology. It's nice to be able to get a balance of work and uni life. You have to be quite flexible. There are some challenges of trying to manage workload for work and uni work. I'd say what I'd recommend to anyone starting would be to keep on top of it. I think the longer you have away from doing your uni work, the more you have to catch up on, the more it's crammed in, you might have to work on weekends and stuff. It's important to be flexible and find time for your uni work. Good luck to anyone starting at university. Enjoy.
Hi, so I'm Jenny, I'm the course leader at Brackenhurst for the Apprenticeship Food Science and Technology, okay, and I teach a lot of the modules as well. So we have a variety of modules that we do, so it covers right across the food industry, from food chemistry, product development, production, analysis, all the different sectors that are involved. We have on programme at the minute, we have 146 apprentices over 4 years. We have currently had in the first year we ran it, those apprentices have graduated now. All of them graduated, so we've got over 40 graduated with a BSc Honours in Food Science and Technology and an apprenticeship. Everyone that comes on the course seems to really enjoy it. Very hands-on course, a lot of information given at the same time. We run it over 4 blocks per year, over 4 years. So you come and spend a week with us at university. A lot of hands-on work, a lot of practicals, lectures involved as well. And then at the end, go away, do some between block work for us before you come back to the next block. You get to meet a lot of other people from the food industry, so a lot of integration, a lot of discussion on different processes, techniques that are used within various industries, and also have a lot of fun while you're here and make a lot of good friends that hopefully will become lifelong friends. So if you fancy it and want to come along, by all means please give it a go. I think if you speak to most of the apprentices on the course, if not all of them, they will all say how much they enjoy it and how much they learn from it. Okay, so we have many companies that send people onto the apprenticeship, so big companies such as Nestle, Unilever, Warburton's, Mondelez, Greencore. Okay, and then we have some smaller companies as well, so some of the small dairies, local producers around the area. So we go from mass scale multinational companies right through to smaller ones. People like Soraya Foods that you may have heard of, Salt and Pepper, British Salt and Pepper Company, those sort of companies. So a whole range of different companies using the apprenticeship to train their staff. So best advice is to come along, enjoy yourself. So yes, you're learning, but actually make it enjoyable as well. Enjoy the experience. If you enjoy it, you will learn it. Okay, so and then you're willing to put the time and effort into it. So make sure you do as we ask. So where we are asking you to complete work every block and between the block work, and keep up with that, because if you get behind, it becomes a real struggle. The key thing is, come along and enjoy yourselves and interact with everybody, and you'll get the most out of it.